Hello, this is the fourth video of our video series How to Create an Inventory Management Software using PHPMaker. We are creating database tables, and in this video we are going to see how you can create purchase order related table. Purchase order is a table which will contain records where we store information of purchase order which we order from the supplier. Purchase order, we need two tables. One will store the main information of the order, like who supplied it, what was the total order total, discount or shipping cost, etc. Whereas in purchase order details, we store list of all the item, what was the quantity, what was the purchase price, is there any item specific discount, and that's it. So this is the basic structure of purchase order and purchase order details. Now we're going to create that into our database. Here I'll copy all the information of create statement and we are going to execute this. I will share this create statement in the description box where you can copy and execute on your local server. So we have created purchase order and order detail table. In the next video, we'll see about the sales order and sales order details. Then we'll get on to the user related table, permission related table. And once that is done, we'll connect PHPMaker with our database table. So if you have any query related to PHPMaker, then please email us on learn.phpmaker.help@gmail.com. If you have any project or project related work, you can contact us on that. For all your queries, you can always comment us on the comment box. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any update from this channel. Thank you for watching the video.